Here we have this dried up old walnut log that looks like nothing really. Most people would look at it and say, why are you cutting that? Well, I'll show you in a little bit. It's got some cracks. The first thing I do is figure out what I want to cut, and in this case I'm cutting 8/4, so I orient the log on the sawmill to best utilize the log for that. Then we just rip through it. Don't mind the little dust devil that's coming in the background. Now that we have the log cut, it's my favorite time to see what it looks like, the reveal. I think it's going to be pretty nice. Now that we have the sawdust sprayed off, you can see that it has really nice figure, also known as fiddleback, all the way throughout. It's got good color as well, and a few cracks, but that won't pose any problems because we could fill them with epoxy or CA glue. But overall, really nice log. All of the top caps and unusable pieces for us go to a local guy who makes firewood. Now that the log is cut, it's time to take it off of the sawmill, where we will stack it on a pallet and let it air dry for 1 to 2 years before putting it in the kiln. Stickering and stacking the wood is a very important part to the process. We like to place our stickers about 12 inches apart, that way the whole board is supported all the way through. Now that the boards are stacked, it's time for another reveal so we can see what they look like together. As you can see, they're extremely nice. This is a prime example why you never judge a log by what it looks like. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them on the comment section and we'll get back to you. And also, to stay up to date on what we're doing next, we would love it if you would hit the subscribe button.